Let's cut the fluff. You're either getting paid while you sleep or you're trading your life for a paycheck. There's no in between. Most people lock themselves in the second option without even realizing it. So the question is simple. Are you staying on the hamster wheel or are you building a cash machine that works for you? That's what JEPQ is, a machine. It's paying me over $4,684 every single month, and I don't lift a finger to earn it. Want to know how it works? Stick around. You see, most investors get it wrong. They treat the stock market like a lottery ticket, throwing money at random stocks, hoping one pops off. That's not investing, that's gambling. JEPQ flips the script. This ETF delivers predictable, consistent cash flow. With an 11.39% 30-day SEC yield, it's not just holding its ground, it's printing money every month. And the 12-month rolling dividend yield, 10.07%. While others are praying their stocks climb 5% over the year, I'm collecting dividends right now. It's up 14.34% this year and focuses on big tech, but here's the kicker. It's not just about growth, it's about cash in your pocket. You're not waiting for the market to decide your fate. JEPQ pays you every month, no matter what's happening out there. And that's the difference between people who are hoping to get rich and people who are already getting paid. This month, I moved $142,000 into JEPQ. Why? Because interest rates are falling in my money market fund, and I'm not here for scraps. I'm here for returns. I now own 8,709 shares of JEPQ, and in a few days, it will pay me $4,684 in dividends. That's cash, real usable cash, hitting my account every 30 days. Most ETFs pay quarterly or annually. JEPQ, monthly. Right now, I've got $493,626 parked in this beast. That's not theory, it's income I could live off of today. You could do the same. Here's the play. JEPQ holds tech stocks and sells covered calls against them. Translation, they're renting out the growth potential of their stocks to generate income. That income, it goes straight to you in dividends. This isn't some high-risk gamble. It's calculated. You're giving up a slice of the upside in exchange for consistent, predictable cash flow. This strategy turns volatility into income month after month. Stop chasing lottery tickets. JEPQ gets you paid. Let's talk raw numbers. The S&P 500, it's safe, but at a measly 1.5 to 2% yield, you'll need millions to make anything meaningful. JEPQ blows that out of the water. Right now, JEPQ is paying out 11.39%. That's nearly 8 times the income. $100,000 in the S&P nets you $1,500 a year. JEPQ, $11,390. Plus, it's tech-heavy and outperforming the S&P 500 over the last few years. While others are waiting on growth stocks to take off, you're collecting checks every single month. Let's get real. I own 8,709 shares worth about $493,626. Those shares pay me $4,684 next month, and the following month, another $4,684 or more. This isn't luck, it's a system. And I didn't start with $500,000. I built it up month by month, reinvesting every dollar. This isn't about timing the market. It's about creating a machine that keeps paying you. Start small, scale big. And reinvesting is the secret sauce. Take dividends, buy more shares, and let the snowball grow. I'm reinvesting $4,684 into JEPQ. At $56.68 a share, that's 83 new shares. Those new shares pay dividends next month, and the cycle repeats. Every reinvestment grows the snowball. The more shares you hold, the bigger the payouts. That's how wealth is built, step by step, month by month. Here's the truth. I didn't start with $494,000. I started with a few $1,000, fresh out of the Marine Corps. It wasn't easy, but I made smart moves, stayed consistent, and built a life I'm proud of. Even if you've only got $500, the key is to start. Don't sit on equity in your house. Downsize, free up cash, and put it to work. Plant the tree today, build the future you want. And here's the bottom line. I could retire today, but I won't. I love this game, and I love helping you win too. If you're serious about leveling up, join my Patreon. You'll get real-time trade alerts, my top plays, and exclusive insights. Every day you wait, you're leaving money on the table. The link is in the description. I'll see you on the inside. Peace.